Songo, yeah, yeah.
This man.
Sir, the spelling is not correct.
You see, these are the type of intelligent people in the class. The most intelligent student. I know it is not correct, but I did it intentionally to test your ability, capability, and your IQ speed. Clap for her once again. So, photosynthesis.
What?
Sir, it's still not correct.
Clap for her. You see, what's your name?
Nefisa.
Nefisa, nice name. From your name, beautiful. Anybody that his name is Nefisa is born beautiful, intelligent, psychologically, mentally, educationally, sharp brain. Yes, everybody that is named Nefisa is born to be intelligent. Yes, mathematically, scientifically, religiously, geographically, mentally, and hungrily. So, what's the problem?
Sir, the P is the only letter that is correct.
You see, I know that the P is wrong, but I do it intentionally. Photosynthesis. Yeah, well, so what is photosynthesis?
Sir, I mean the P is the only correct letter there.
Say! We don't watch.